Hello, I'm Isha, a motion artist. This is my explainer video, Mobile Phone Addiction. Mobile addiction silently controls today's young generation lifestyle. Students waste hours scrolling without realizing valuable time loss. Symptoms: phone becomes priority over studies, sleep, and family. Behavioral signs: frustration appears when the battery dies or the internet suddenly stops. Causes: peer pressure, excessive gaming, loneliness, increase unhealthy phone dependency. Overall effects: addiction harms mental health, studies, and physical well-being seriously. Social impact: too much screen time slowly damages family bonds. Time management problem: poor time management reduces productivity and daily self-discipline. Rehabilitation: screen limits, practice hobbies, build strong offline connections. In conclusion, control your phone wisely before it controls your life. Thank you.